Alright, and here we go for Eaglebridge. This is going to be 3 boxes of 2012-13 Panini Rookie Anthology Hockey. Eaglebridge, good luck. Let's get to breaking. If you'd like to be like Eaglebridge, get a box broken live. SteelCityCollectibles.com/break room is the place to go. Just click the Live Breaks On Demand banner. Get to see all the live break eligible products. Find the one you want. Click the Break This Live for Me button. We'll get it broken live for you here on Breakers TV. We're here every Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, breaking your boxes live. Eaglebridge, thank you. Prism Pack, Rick Nash, Nicholas Blackstrom, and Scott Glennie. Focus on the hits here in this break. Chris Kreider, rookie, 11 of 999. Absolute last and final call for live break orders today. Get your order in now. Pavel Datsyuk, 35 of 999. That is the Hart Contenders. Got the Royal Lineage, Guy Lafleur, Carey Price, and Max Pacioretty. Triple jersey. Alex Pietrangelo, 735 of 999. Intensity, 67 of 500, Chris Kreider. And we got the Carter Camper dual jersey autograph, 25 of 699. Mark Stone, 794 of 999. Got the autograph, Gabriel Bork, Nashville Predators. Vezina Contenders, 958 of 999, Mike Smith. And we've got a big hit, big hit, big hit. Oh! The Joe Sakic Silhouette Signatures Jersey Autograph. I believe that's a short print there, Eaglebridge. No number on it, but recall pulling one of these in a prior break, and I forget what it was, how many they said were made, but I know it was I'm pretty sure it was a short print. A sweet hit there for you. Got that one sleeved up for you right there on that Joe Sakic Silhouette signature. And we end the first box with a Brad Richards game-worn gear. That awesome card on that Sakic for sure there, Eaglebridge. No more break orders today. If you want to get something broken live, we'll get you in first thing tomorrow. Got Henrik Lundqvist. We've got the Aaron Ness Prism autograph. New York Islanders and Matt Watkins. Kakalak says 25 or less. DMB sounds good. We'll get you up next. Chris Stewart Game Gear jersey. DMB picking up a TriStar Dynasty Baseball. Look forward to seeing what we can get for you in that one. Sven Bartucci, 388 of 999. That is a rookie. Brandon Dubinsky, Crown Royal Lords of the NHL jersey. Vezina Contenders Mike Smith, 791 and 999. Teemu Selanne, 138 of 500. Mike Hutchison, 325 of 699. Matt Watkins, 10 of 999. David Backus, Heart Contenders, 924 of 999. Rick Nash Game Gear jersey. Got a cool one here. It's going to be the Lane McDermott. That is going to be the Luxury Suite jersey autograph, 77 of 99. And final pack. Got the Patrick Kane Cup Contenders, 853 of 999. Final box here for Eaglebridge. Prism pack first. Got a Michael Hutchison Prism rookie. A couple base cards as well. Daniel Sedin, 551 and 999. Heart Contenders. Steve Yzerman Intensity, 69 of 500. Jason Pominville, 434 999. That one is the that's a Cup Contenders there. TJ Brennan, bronze metallic marks autograph. Jacob Silverberg, 641 and 999. Michael Lighton, game worn gear. Got the Gabriel Dumont Titanium Rookie, 21 of 37, Montreal Canadiens. Brett Hull Contenders Legacies, 741 of 999. Brandon Dubinsky, Lords of the NHL Crown Royal jersey card. 2 packs to go here for Eaglebridge. Torrey Krug, 633 and 999 on the rookie. And we got a dual jersey autograph Carter Ashton, 161 of 499. Final pack. And it's going to be a Keith Primo game worn jersey. Again, the big hit of the break, the Joe Sakic silhouette signature autograph. Appreciate you breaking live with us, Eaglebridge. We'll get those out to you soon.